Welcome back to the channel where I talk about stock every week. So today this is actually gonna be a really interesting video, one that I've been wanting to talk about, Cinedigm under the ticker symbol CIDM. I'm gonna make a very bold claim right now. Cinedigm is a 5x stock in the making. Yes, you have heard that right. I believe that Cinedigm is a 5x stock in the making. If you have heard of this stock, you will most likely agree with me, but if you have not, be sure to stay with me till the end to find out why I think Cinedigm will 5x over time. And also be sure to hit the like button and subscribe button to support my channel. Okay, so right now at the point of this video, Cinedigm is trading around $1.30 down from $2.14 from a month ago. But if you compare to the price 6 months ago, this stock was trading at only around 40 to 50 cents. What's even crazier is the fact that if you look at the 5-year chart, what you will notice is some super weird looking chart over here. And that's because historically Cinedigm business model revolves around the digital cinema business, and on top of that we have the whole COVID-19 pandemic going on that has seriously put a huge dent on their digital cinema business. I mean, like, come on, would you honestly want to invest in a business that's hardly ever showing growth? Probably not, right? And that explains why Cinedigm has been swinging up and down around the same price range. But now this is where the whole growth narrative for Cinedigm has entirely transformed. They are no longer just into the digital cinema business. In fact, they have wagered all their chips into the over-the-top media channel, also refers to the streaming media channel that bypass cables, television providers, and network for those who don't know, by the way. In a lot of sense, it's actually quite similar to how BlackBerry has pivoted from mobile phone to car infotainment, cybersecurity, and embedded software. Similar to that, except in Cinedigm's case, they recognized that they needed to adapt accordingly to the market trend and have since then transitioned from digital cinema business to video streaming service that provides content to media, technology, and retail company. Now, you will be forgiven for thinking that Cinedigm is similar to Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, or Fubo TV because yes, they are technically kinda similar but actually not quite the same. What I mean by that is that Cinedigm obtains money through digital content licensing fee and advertising. So an example for this that comes into mind is Marvel movies on Netflix. What this basically means is that Netflix has to pay Disney for using Disney's content, and this is where Cinedigm is trying to dip their hands and slowly transition their business into. Since then, Cinedigm has gone from one of the market least exciting stocks to invest in to one of the most exciting stocks to buy thanks to that. Now, bear in mind, I have built a position in this so I could be biased, but that gives you more the reason why you should also do your own due diligence and take this video as a reference. With that said, as I was saying, I'm very bullish on Cinedigm future outlook because of its growth result. From their third quarter earning fiscal 2021 earning ending in December 2020, Cinedigm jumped from 5.6 million viewers by the end of 2019 to 22.6 million, an increase of 303% year over year. And that's the kind of strong growth number I'm talking about. See, in the year of 2014, Cinedigm has already started to build out their portfolio in the video streaming service. Ever since then, they have gone on to establish multiple streaming channels and content including the Bob Ross channel, Docurama, Con TV, the Dove channel, Viewster, the Film Detective, Screenbox, and the most recently acquired Fandor. Through this digital content licensing, Cinedigm has so far provided premium feature films and series to digital platforms including iTunes, Netflix, Roku, and Amazon to cable and satellite providers including Comcast, Dish Network, and DirecTV, and major retailers including Walmart and Target. Cinedigm has also secured key distribution through Viewed, the world's largest smart TV over-the-top software provider, making Cinedigm channel available on an installed base of 300 million smart TVs and connected devices manufactured by the likes of Sony, Samsung, Skyworth, Hisense, Philips, and TiVo. And thanks to that, in the latest earning report, Cinedigm has seen strong combined that collectively gave total streaming minutes of 907 million, up by 391% year over year in this quarter alone. From the way I see it, it is clear that Cinedigm will continue to build upon their over-the-top business, and I fully expect Cinedigm to remain their strong growth in terms of its global over-the-top viewer base and ad support over-the-top platform that will make this stock one of the most exciting stocks to invest in 2021. Now, before I end this video, I just want to take a little time to talk about their digital cinema business that I have not touched yet. Like I said before, they are deeply affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. As you can see here from the recent earnings report, Cinedigm's revenue has indeed dropped from $11.5 million to $10 million, a decrease of 13.5%. So massive of the large chunk actually came from their theatrical revenue and distribution centers. But this is just a short-term concern, considering that we have multiple highly effective COVID-19 vaccines that are made available today, and it has appeared that theaters are beginning to open up. Therefore, if we combine the strong growth in their video streaming service and the potential digital cinema comeback, I think this could be one of the best growth stocks to buy today. Overall, I think this stock is adopting the right strategy and could eventually be the pioneer in the video streaming service. Well, of course, provided that they continue to make the right moves and show strong growth in their over-the-top media channel. Seeing how things are going right now, I believe that $1.30 is a bargain, but of course with the ongoing interest rate, it will be wise to leave some cash and look for the dip should there be one. Well, that's all I have for this video. Remember to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video, and click here for more videos. Also, don't forget to get 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850 when you sign up with WeBull at the link provided in the description box below. Also, comment down below and let me know what you think of Cinedigm stock. Till next time.